Good morning! We are working on page 127 in our phonics books. We are continuing our work with plurals. However, this time, we no longer have a really clear rule for how to change the spelling of words in the plural. This time it's just a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is give you many examples of words in the plural that don't necessarily have a pattern, but they're changed into the plural in sort of an unusual way. So here we go. We have man becomes men. Woman becomes women. Tooth is teeth, and foot is feet. So something I highlighted here, the A on the left in man and woman, those signify that it is singular. The blue E in men and women signify that it is plural. Now there's no S and there's no ES at the end of the word, but it's still plural, more than one. Tooth and foot both have O's, but their plural forms have E's, teeth and feet. Now, not every single plural follows this same pattern, A to E, O to E. There are a few differences, so let's keep talking. Here are two more examples. The words ox and child. While they have nothing to do with each other and what those words mean, they do add an ending, which then makes the word plural. And in this case, ox becomes oxen, you add an en, and child becomes children, you add ren. Those are somewhat similar, but still a little goofy. Keep on going. Now we have mouse becomes mice when you're talking about more than one, and goose is geese. All right, nothing really except you have to commit these to your memory, meaning you have to remember and memorize it because there isn't necessarily a rule for this. They are just different in the plural. Okay, now something crazy and cool is that there are also certain words that don't even change when they're in the plural. For example, sheep is the same as sheep. Deer, still deer. Elk, several elk, one elk, it's just elk. Salmon is salmon, moose is moose, and fish is fish. It's actually not fishes, people. It's not fishes. So something to consider here is when you're looking at sentences, you might get a little bit confused. So you have to look for the clues in sentences to tell you whether it's plural or singular. Listen to this sentence. All the sheep ran through the gate. All the sheep ran through the gate. Do you think that that is plural sheep or singular sheep? That would be plural sheep, and the hint in the sentence is all the sheep, all of them, ran through the gate. What about the sentence, the sheep stamped its foot? The sheep stamped its foot. That would be singular. The one sheep. The sheep stamped its, just one, its foot. So sometimes you'll have to check the sentence for context clues to figure out which it is singular or plural. Good luck!